Okay, so we have some cooking with Spak time. It's been about maybe, I don't know, over 10 years at least. But, so, what I have here, I discovered I had a full dozen of white eggs that were still within date. Not that it would have really mattered anyway, but they were in there. So I was like, all right, 12 eggs. I put them all in this bowl. And I add about maybe a half cup of just 2% milk in there. And I mix them all up. And then what I have here is, I think it's just white American cheese. It just, like, let me see. Yeah, there we go. I don't even know what that is. Is it supposed to be like American cheese, except it's whiter than that? Or whiter than yellow or something? Anyway, so yes, I have that. I have a good size pan here heating up. And then I'm going to add the eggs to that. And then I'm hoping that I can get this thing to flip over. I'd had to go searching around for a good tool to do the job. So we'll see if it works, and we'll see if this freaking pan still has non-stick coating, because I'm not feeling good about it yet. So we'll see. Okay, so I've decided that trying to make a giant omelet is not going to work with this many eggs. So I'm just gonna make a scramble of sorts and make sure to scrape the sides, and I'm not getting any burning or anything. So I mean, the non-stick thing is working okay, I guess, but we'll see how it turns out. As they always say, you have to make sure you take them out before you think they're done, because they're gonna get done in the plate. So, and that means I also have to go get a plate somewhere. So that'll be set up in the next shot. We'll see if this works. As you can see, we're getting a little bit better consistency now. We're actually getting, you know, well done eggs now, instead of just a huge pool of yellowish. But looks like we're getting close now. I mean, I don't like them too dry, so having a little bit of that, you know, yolk and everything swimming around is pretty good for me. So these will be ready really soon. Yeah, they really took off there after I stopped recording last time. But so yeah, didn't do too bad on the burning. The non-stick thing worked pretty good. So I didn't really burn anything, and everything seems to be a good doneness. And then there's a little bit of liquid, you know, not too much. So, and actually, I was gonna I opened this white American cheese for the first time, and so this is gonna be the first time it's used. It's been in the fridge for at least 2 months. I think my mom got it and just put it in there. But yeah, let's make it. Yeah, that's good. Let me see if I can open this. Freaking. There we go. Yes. I'm gonna put a little bit of chili or salsa on here. Yeah, just enough to get, you know, a good amount of it on every bite you eat. So that's good. And I'll have to. This is really good cheese. I already ate a slice of it, so I don't know if I already said that or not, but I probably did. So anyway, yeah, freaking gonna get a fork, and you know, good stuff. I didn't eat all day. I wasn't even hungry because I ate so much junk food yesterday. But I might do this again, because you know it's like web blogging and stuff, or video logging. So yeah, cool. We'll do it again soon.